Hi everyone. Now see, in our practical next experiment is maximum power transfer theorem. Okay. In this maximum power transfer theorem, total chart are explained first in our link. Okay. In that first aim of this our experiment is to study the maximum power transfer theorem. ओके, हा जो मॅक्झिमम पॉवर ट्रान्सफर थेरम असेल त्याचा स्टडी आपण एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये करणार आहोत. देन डिफरंट ॲपरेटस of our experiment is resistors. Here use different values of the resistors. Then power supply is apply the power in our circuit diagram. Then current meter and voltmeter. Here current meter are used in observe the current and voltmeter are observe the voltage, as well as the multimeter are used in observe the voltage. Then statement of our experiment. Okay, see the statement in the maximum power transfer from the source to the load. Source to the load. Source means the applied voltage. These are the source to the load. Load means the here connected load in output of our circuit diagram. Here connected different values of the load resistor, as well as the here in our experiment connected resistance box of a load. If and only if the source resistance is equal to the load resistance. If and only if the source resistance is equal to the load resistance. This is the statement of our this is the statement of our experiment, is the maximum power transfer theorem. Then next see the circuit diagram of our experiment. Okay, see the circuit diagram is here by using the different electronic components we have designed the circuit diagram. Here apply the 15 voltage by using the power supply. Then 680 ohm resistor R1, then R2 are 680 ohm resistor, and R3 are the 680 ohm resistor. That means the three different resistors are here used, R1, R2 and R3, but value of the resistor are the same. Okay, in this way here connected. Then IL here connected in a current meter. Here used 0 to 100 milliammeter current meter, we observe the current. Then RL is here connected a resistance box. By using the resistance box we vary the different values or different values of the resistance. Okay, then phi RL here phi RL is the observe the load resistance voltage. Okay, by using the voltmeter as well as the multimeter. In this way here connected in our circuit diagram. Then in our experiment see the observation table. Here observe the different observations. See the observation table here, serial number. In the serial number we have observed the different number of the observations. Here second observation table, here load resistance RL in ohm. Okay, load resistance RL in ohm. In our in our circuit diagram connected resistance box. This resistance box different resistance are removed in a 1 by 1. So here infinity 4350 3500 3000. In this way the different resistance keys are the removed on a resistance box. Then observe the IL in millimeter, that means the current in a millimeter. Then voltage phi RL in volt. Okay, here observe the voltage, that means the load resistance voltage phi RL. Then total power of load, that means the PT is the total power of the load. Okay, here phi RL, here in our observation table we observe the phi RL and IL. Okay, and this by using the phi RL and IL we calculate the power of the load, that means the PT is equal to phi RL into IL in a milliwatt. In this way these observations are observed in our experiment. Okay, then second in our experiment see the calculation. Here calculate the two different resistance value and total power of the resistance in a milliwatt. See, the first calculation is the find out the internal resistance of source, that means the R in is equal to ohm. Okay, this find out the internal resistance as well as the maximum power delivered to the load. In these two calculations we have calculate by using this observation table. Okay, then graph. Okay, plot the graph of power delivered to the load against the load resistance. Okay, in this graph of the power P against the load resistance RL by using the observation table, draw this graph. Okay, in on x axis load resistance RL in ohm and y axis power P in milliwatt, and draw the graph. Okay, and then finally result of our experiment is internal resistance of the source RL in ohm and the maximum power in delivered to the load in a milliwatt. In this way result is here note down of our experiment when this experiment is successfully completed in our laboratory. Okay, so in this way for of our experiment maximum power transfer theorem chart are explained. I think got it all of you this experiment, and in next lecture we have designed the circuit diagram of our experiment as well as the observe the different observations in our laboratory. Okay, got it all of you. So, and stop here and thank you all of you.